In this video, I'll show you an easy way to create a Spotify account. So let's get started. So first thing you're gonna do is search literally here, create Spotify account. And then here at this page, click the second here. Right here. Then there is an option to sign up with Facebook and also with Google. And right here also you can sign up manually using your own email. But we're just going to sign up using a Google account right here. And then just sign into your Google account. And if you're done, here at this page you can decide what nickname you want. Example like this. And next is just fill in your birthday right here, gender also, and then do prove you're not a robot. Then hit sign up. So once you're done, your account was created. You can now download Spotify for your desktop, or you can now log into Spotify website. So that's basically it. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.